Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your delivery address on the Target app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your delivery address because you move locations. How do you actually go ahead and change your delivery address on the Target app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Target app. Next, click on My Target on the bottom right hand corner. Then click on Addresses, and then click on Add Address. So this is where you can actually go ahead and add your first name, last name, and new address, and then click on Save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your delivery address on the Target app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.